In this 4-minute vlog, I'll give you 5 top tips to refresh your outdoor space to give you that wow factor. Outdoor space has rarely been so prized as it is now, with searches for properties with gardens and patios now much higher prior to the lockdown period. We have put together 5 simple, inexpensive ways that you can perk up your outdoor space, no matter how much, or indeed how little, you may have available. So create specific areas. An effective way to transform your outdoor space is to create specific areas within your available area. Creating a seating area with screens, a bedding area with planters, and adding hanging baskets further down your garden will create real depth, as well as encouraging the use of these spaces. If you have less space available, think about using furniture which can also be used as storage. It's a good option, as well as items which can be folded away or stacked. Lighting. Investing in lighting for your outdoor area will not only make it more attractive when the evening sets in, it will also encourage you to embrace the outdoors, even when it's a little darker. Solar lighting is an affordable, effective and fuss-free way to add some ambience to your garden, patio, balcony or outdoor space. Solar nets are particularly effective as the lights can be weaved through the trellis or on a fence. Pots and planters. If your outdoor space is a small patio or balcony area, then using pots and planters is a great way to add some fresh flowers and foliage, making your space much more inviting. If your property is rented, then the pots and planters are also really useful, as you can take them with you when you move to a new property. And you do not need to dig up the garden, which could cause potential disputes. If you have more space available, add some hanging baskets to create different levels of interest across your garden. So accessories. Although investing in soft furnishings and accessories can be a more pricey way to refresh your outdoor space, because your items are intended for outdoor use, they tend to last longer, and so can be a worthwhile investment. Bright pops of colour can be added to any size of space with cushions, beanbags and throws, and adding some ceramic candles to table areas will also take your outdoor space to the next level. Planting. Very few things will bring the outdoors to life as much as fresh plants and flowers. Over the span of the summer, they'll also work out to being fairly inexpensive. Lavender is a particularly good option due to its hard-wearing nature and the gentle scent that it is emitting. You can also purchase bedding plants in packs at most supermarkets and DIY stores, making them easy to find and inexpensive. If you have anything to add, please feel free to leave a comment, as I'd love to hear from you. Finally, can I ask you to hit that like button and share this post, as it will give the post more social reach, and therefore Facebook will allow more people to see it. Until next time, I'm Jim Parker for FIFE Properties TV.